Dear distributor, we are pleased to introduce our line of reverse osmosis systems custom-built to meet your customers' specific needs. Our equipment is designed with the objective of offering a lower maintenance cost and easy operation, which makes it an excellent option for companies that are looking for a profitable and reliable solution for their water treatment. We offer standardized options, as well as the ability to configure the system with different automation components and controllers, including our popular jet model. This model has a capacity of 1 to 2 membranes and fiberglass membrane holders, offering a production of 0.5 to 1.5 gallons per minute, with 4x40 Tory brand membranes. This equipment is available for automated handling. It can include manual control, which allows it to be adapted to the specific needs of each client. In short, our team of highly trained professionals, and our ability to customize our reverse osmosis systems to meet the needs of their customers, make the jet system the perfect choice for any company looking for an effective water treatment solution. Compact and cost-effective. Feel free to contact us for more information on our line of custom-built reverse osmosis systems. We are sure that you will find in our products an excellent solution for your customers.